I am delighted to have you all here today to celebrate this momentous occasion, the renaming of the UMass Amherst Springfield Center in honor of Henry Thomas III. Henry has been a tireless leader and a great advocate, an influential person in the establishment of this center. His vision and his dedication to help shape the Springfield Center to a beacon of opportunity where education and community come together to foster growth and transformation has been tremendous.
Henry was the first African American to chair the UMass board, and we're all very, very proud of that, making history, important history. When he was named the chairmanship, Henry said, and I quote, went back and looked this up, Henry, "UMass is a beacon of opportunity for thousands and thousands of people in this state. It provides promise, it provides opportunity, and I want to make sure that it remains a beacon that shines as brightly as it possibly can," end quote. As chairman, he helped make sure that the light from that beacon torch lives right in this center.
We can be a place where connections with the community can be made, a place where we can congregate and we can be together to spend time on envisioning what will be the future of this region and how can we all partner to work together on it. Naming the UMass Amherst Springfield Center in honor of Mr. Henry Thomas III, a distinguished and transformational leader at the University of Massachusetts and this community, speaks to the promise and possibilities of this renewed engagement.
There isn't anywhere I would have been today when this opportunity presented itself, but to be here and to say to Henry Thomas, thanks and congratulations from the United States of America. When you come to downtown Springfield, you're traversing I-91 and you see that UMass moniker, that sends a great morale boost and psyche boost to the city of Springfield and Western Massachusetts. But Henry is, again, he's a son of Springfield. He was one hell of a ball player. In his DNA, all about empowerment and opening up educational opportunities for our young people, no matter what creed, color, or background.
They say that we should give folks their flowers while they're alive. That's why I'm extremely honored and grateful to be the one here on behalf of the UMass Board of Trustees to honor you, Mr. Thomas. So thank you on behalf of the UMass Board of Trustees, the City of Springfield, to formally dedicate this center, Henry M. Thomas III, name a fitting tribute to your lifelong career and vision and service of leadership. Congratulations, Mr. Chairman.
On behalf of my mom and dad, Henry and Devona Thomas, our entire family and extended family, I would like to extend our deepest thanks for this incredible honor. You are ensuring my father's legacy of service, justice, and love for this community will live on and inspire generations to come. Dad, your work has been a beacon, and today we honor the light you have shared with all of us. Thank you.
Nice job.
On behalf of our speakers, our guests, in recognition of your service and dedication to university, the city, and the Commonwealth, we are honored and excited to present with you this gift commemorating the naming of the UMass Center at Springfield as the Henry M. Thomas Center. Congratulations, sir.